Hello and welcome everyone in today's English video. Students, already we have started lesson number 35 in previous video. Today remaining part we are going to continue of this lesson. In previous video we have seen Golden Duff. He has told one secret to Gluck, and Gluck told that secret to his two brothers. At first these two brothers, Squirts and Hans, they did not believe on Gluck, but afterwards they visit the golden river and they pour the water, but they were turned into the black stone. Glug waited and waited for his brothers, but they did not return. At last he decided to visit the golden river himself. He went to the good priest, who willingly gave him some holy water. Glug, what he done? He waited for his brothers, but they did not return, so he decided to visit that golden river. And what he done? He took a holy water from a good priest, and he willingly, means happily, gave him holy water. Gluck was young and small, and he too found the climb very difficult. After he had climbed for an hour or so, he became very thirsty. He was about to drink some water when, like his brothers, he saw an old man. Means when Gluck was climbing that mountain, that time he felt very thirsty like his brother. And when he was going to drink some water, that time he saw an old man. His brothers also has seen this old man, but these brothers, they did not help that old man. But Gluck, what he will do, we'll see. The old man walked towards Gluck, leaning on a staff, and asked for some water. Here, staff means what? Stick. And leaning means to move the top part of the body in a particular direction. You know, old people, if they take stick in hand, how they walk, that is called leaning. And this old man was leaning on a staff and he asked for water. Gluck saw that the old man was pale, tired, and thirsty. Pale means dull, means his face was looking dull. He was tired and he was very thirsty. So he gave him the bottle of water. The old man drank up nearly 2/3 of the water. Means Gluck has given water to that old man. That old man also, he drank 2/3 of the water, and remaining water he has given to Gluck back. 2/3 means what? 2 out of 3 equal part of water. Then he returned the bottle and wished Gluck well. This old man, he has returned the bottle of water and he wished well for the Gluck, means best of luck for your future, like this he has told to the Gluck. Gluck did not have any water for himself, but as he went on, his path, means way, became easier. After climbing for a long time, when he became thirsty, he saw the small child. Gluck was sorry for him and gave him some water. The child began to smile, got up, and ran down the hill. Since here for that small child, Gluck has helped, means he has given water to that small child. So that child, he smiled, he got up and ran down the hill. Now only a few drops of water were left in the bottle. When Gluck came close to the mountain top, he was very thirsty himself. Just then he saw the poor little pup. Little pup. Here pup means what? Puppy. Means young dog. That was dying of thirst. Means one little young one of dog or baby of dog, it was very thirsty. I must help it now, thought Gluck. Otherwise it may be too late. So he poured the remaining drops into the little dog's mouth. The remaining water, it was there in that bottle. That water Gluck has poured into the mouth of little dog. The dog sprang up, means stood, and in the place stood the king of the golden river. Means on the place of dog, who stood there? King of the golden river. He was very pleased with Gluck, means that king of the golden river. He was very happy. Pleased means what? Happy with the Gluck. The king put in Gluck's bottle some dewdrops. Dewdrops means what? Tiny drops of water from the petals of the lily. The petals of lily, it is there. On the dewdrops were there. Now students, morning time, you can see on the leaves dewdrops are there, or on the petals. Likewise on the petals of lily, dewdrops were there, and that dewdrops, this king, he poured into the bottle of Gluck. Then he told Gluck to cast it into the leaping river. Cast means what? Throw. With the king of the golden river, he told to Gluck what? Throw that dewdrops into the leaping river. Leaping means jumping or flowing. Glug did so, but the river did not turn to gold. Means when the Glug threw the dewdrops into that river, that time that river did not turn to gold. However, it changed its course and began to flow through the treasure valley. Now, treasure valley, we have seen it was belonged to these three brothers, but Squid and Hans, they have become Blackstone. Now, who remain Glug? Now, when the Glug has threw the dewdrops into that river, that time the river did not change into gold, but the river began to flow through that treasure valley, making it rich and fertile once again. Fertile means what? Able to produce a good quality crops. Now, treasure valley, it is only called fertile valley. When the river began to flow through that treasure valley, that time once again that treasure valley became fertile and rich, means good quality crops Gluck can take from that valley. Gluck lived in the valley helping the poor and the needy. Those are poor people and those who need anything for that people, Gluck started to help. His barns means what? Farmhouse were always full of corn and he never lacked for money. Because of the river in Treasure Valley, good quality corns come, so Gluck never lacked for money. What is wrote last is simplified from The King of the Golden River by John Ruskin. Simplified means what? Makes simpler to understand. The King of the Golden River, this is one book. It is wrote by John Ruskin, and from that book these two lessons are two. They are made simplified in this book. I hope all of you understood this lesson. Now next we are going to see that is the exercise of lesson number 35. Students, here exercise of lesson number 35 is given that you have to copy in English workbook. While copying it, copy it correctly and copy the spellings correctly. Thank you.